Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting acrylic paint markers and a properly primed canvas because adhesion and color hold depend on surface preparation. Once chosen, shake each marker for 30 to 60 seconds, then depress the tip on scrap paper until pigment flows. This primes the mechanism. Make sure to lay protective paper and keep water and paper towels nearby to address drips. Doing these first steps prevents skipping essential setup and ensures predictable marker performance throughout the piece. Once your sketch is down, you build paint in controlled layers, starting with backgrounds to avoid smudging foreground details. Apply light passes first to establish color and let each pass dry a few minutes. Paint markers dry fast, but wet blending needs short windows. Use varied pressure and angle for line weight, firm for opaque fills, light for fine hairlines, because marker tips respond to force. If you need softer transitions, make a quick pass with a damp synthetic brush to nudge edges before the marker fully cures. To finish, let your work fully cure, often 24-72 hours depending on thickness. Then apply a compatible varnish to protect pigment and unify sheen. Test on scrap first. If you see runs or pooling, let the area dry, then gently scrape or sand and relayer with controlled strokes because reworking wet marker paint risks spreading color. If markers clog, scribble on scrap to clear flow and store as recommended. One key troubleshooting tip. If bleeding occurs, reduce moisture and build opacity in thin, dry layers to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.